Welcome to a journey of vibrant health and vitality as we explore the incredible potential of foods that can naturally cleanse your arteries and shield you from heart-related issues. Arteries, the vital highways that ferry oxygen-rich blood throughout your body, play an instrumental role in ensuring a robust cardiovascular system. Let's delve into a captivating world of culinary choices that can fortify your arteries, setting you on a path towards heart wellness. 1. Symphony of omega-3 rich fish. Embark on your heart-healthy expedition with the marvels of fish. Overflowing with essential omega-3 fatty acids, these aquatic wonders positively influence blood cholesterol levels, acting as a shield against artery clogs. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition unveiled that women embracing 2 or more servings of fatty fish experienced enhanced cardiovascular well-being. Delight in herring, tuna, trout, mackerel, and salmon, and let your taste buds and arteries thrive in harmony. 2. Citrus euphoria. Imagine the zing of citrus fruits becoming your allies in the crusade for arterial health. A study in ARIA atherosclerosis highlighted how these vibrant delights significantly lower systolic blood pressure and stenosis. The historical use of citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, to treat scurvy finds modern resonance in a University of Southern California Department of Preventive Medicine study, revealing that their viscous fiber content protects arteries from obstruction. 3. Walnuts, nature's heart protectors. Embark on a nutty adventure with walnuts, champions of heart preservation. Yale University's Prevention Research Center unveiled their prowess in safeguarding arteries. Moreover, Spanish researchers affirmed that these shelled gems surpassed even olive oil in shielding arteries from post-saturated fat meal damage. With a bounty of benefits, walnuts provide an exquisite blend of taste and arterial wellness. 4. Flaxseed's golden touch. Flax seeds, a treasure trove of goodness, offer a gateway to arterial health. A study in the Canadian Journal of Cardiology underscored their powerful positive effects on cardiovascular disease prevention. Laden with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and phytoestrogens, they emerge as heart allies. Whether ground or integrated into your favorite foods, flax seeds bring abundant nourishment. 5. Turmeric, heart's luminous guardian. Experience the brilliance of turmeric, a stalwart companion in the journey to heart resilience. Over 200 research studies vouch for its therapeutic potency in heart conditions. Turmeric not only shields the heart, but also combats metabolic factors that contribute to heart diseases, fostering a holistic approach to cardiovascular well-being. 6. Green tea, elixir of cardiovascular vigor. Steep yourself in the vitality of green tea as science links it to heart vitality. Harvard Health affirms its prowess, citing a Japanese study where avid consumers exhibited a lower risk of heart attack, stroke, and mortality. As you savor the refreshing cup, your heart silently celebrates the nurturing embrace of green tea. 7. Cinnamon, nature's heart symphony. Uncover the symphony of health benefits within cinnamon's natural embrace. An antioxidant and anti-inflammatory marvel, it holds the power to mitigate heart disease risk. Diabetes. Care showcases its role in improving glucose and lipids for those with type 2 diabetes. A meta-analysis by the College of Pharmacy at Western University of Health Sciences reinforces its impact on cholesterol and triglycerides. 8. Pomegranates, elixir of cardiovascular rejuvenation. Delight in the captivating taste of pomegranates, a fruit that thrills both the palate and the heart. Extensive research reveals their potency in countering pathological changes tied to cardiovascular disease. Their ability to reduce oxidative stress, nurture nitric oxide synthesis, and more, as highlighted by Life Extension, positions them as guardians of heart health. Embrace the journey. As you embark on this culinary odyssey, remember that each bite is a step towards heart vitality. Nourishing your arteries need not be a daunting task. It can be a delightful exploration of flavors and textures that contribute to your well-being. So, savor these foods, cherish your heart, and let the symphony of health resound in every beat. If you want to request a video with another topic about health, please let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.